in the bathroom to calm my nerves and of course check myself if I look okay, which I think I do.
Also Sigma and
I'm just a girl who dresses whatever. I don't have, but of course black is always safe.
Theme or Rabana theme?
It's elegant.
Okay.
What color do you think my dress is? Red.
Not like that. And even like Netflix, I always watch.
Oh my
YouTube.
god, my data's gonna finish here, hey?
Did you buy that?
It's gonna go off. No, I didn't.
Okay, you can buy it.
Yeah, I think it's also it hasn't finished.
Your makeup is not done yet, but it's already eating.
I know,
thank
guys,
you.
right? It's so beautiful.
Favor makeup is
You
the
make me happy.
is the makeup stylist handle.
The makeup.
Thank you.
What's your
yes.
handle? Tell me your handle.
Favor makeup. FAVOR makeup.
You have underscores?
On TikTok I don't.
Oh, okay.
Do I? I don't know. Yes, I think I do on TikTok. Favor_makeup. Guys, let's tap on the screen and follow. And if you're going to Durban July, please book me. I'll be in Durban from the 4th till the 7th of July.
That's a long time.
Yeah, it's a long time.
I just put data. I hope it shows. Yay!
Is it done?
Yeah.
Okay, close.
Guys, the award starts at 6, but I'm not gonna go live. I might.
Or the other.
This is nice.
Close, Gracie. I could have clarified it in 15 minutes. But you're almost done. The look you want is not.
It's not crazy. If I don't blame on you tonight, I'm down somehow. This one doesn't know. Does she know my who's Ngoveni? Hey, Favor. If
We're almost done.
I wanna open my eyes so bad.
As I closed.
Okay.
Someone else just came in now. Oh my god, Nza, welcome to my place!
And it smells so good.
You've never been here before! Oh my god.
No, and it's gorgeous. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm gonna touch you though.
Don't touch us. Oh, this is stunning.
Oh my god.
Touch me. Yeah, this is stunning. Hey, it's your wedding. Ah, it's your party. You look amazing. Is it the lady I recommended for it?
Yes, it's Favor.
Wow.
Hi, Favor.
Terry is the one who plugged me.
Really?
Yeah. When I was doing my nails yesterday, I told her, she was like, try this lady.
Oh,
Beautiful.
thank you so much.
Ah, yo, this is
I feel
gorgeous.
good already. Hey,
Ah, you look
Look at
stunning.
my eyes.
Yo, now the dress.
So pretty. It's that side. Chonza, it's in the bedroom.
You're saying shows as if I've seen it.
Oh,
How you know that is?
you haven't?
I haven't seen it.
Okay.
Oh my god! Grace!
She did, right?
Yo!
Guys, please book your appointment for Devon, July.
Please answer for me.
It's Seithati.
Tati, why are you calling me?
Grace!
You're calling me.
It's giving me.
Here.
Where's my phone? I'm too excited. Grace!
Hang up.
Hang up!
Hang up.
You hang up. Oh, there. Hey, boo.
Who did your makeup?
I did.
Oh, you're so good.
Thank you. What about me?
I'm joking.
It's because I did it myself. I know. I also did it myself.
No, but you're a makeup artist.
I used to.
You used to be a makeup artist?
Yeah, I used to be.
And I keep seeing her looking at you, my friend.
Oh, she was
she keeps eyeing you.
Oh, that's a
She
stunning.
keeps eyeing you. I'm dying to open my eyes.
No, the time you open it, you're gonna be so shook. So shook. This is stunning. Are you live?
Yeah.
Tumela. Yo.
You can open.
Wait.
No, finally.
Wait. Let's go.
yes.
We're coming back.
Okay. Oh my god, my eyes are snatched.
We're gonna show you something.
You can take the camera with you.
No, just show it here where we come
Okay,
in.
let me open. Wait, I wanna vlog. Wait, Nza. I wanna vlog as well. You brought me
This
something.
is live.
Yeah, is it live?
Yes.
Come, friend. I'll just show
Wait,
you.
let me just put mine ready as well.
We couldn't buy what we wanted to buy, but
What did you
Team
buy?
Grace. Didn't buy anything. I want to show you Team Grace. Team Grace, guys.
Guys, please tap and follow me.
Okay, you can.
Oh,
go.
there's two lives.
Yes, on my phone and on his.
Oh,
You
which one
can
is
go,
yours?
friend.
This
I'm
one.
ready.
Hi, guys. Thanks, doll.
Guys, please tap on the screen and follow. And if you haven't booked your appointment, please book me now.
Oh my god, you guys! Oh my god! You guys are crazy! Oh my god, this is so good! You look great!
We're Team Grace.
Oh, we're live! Yes, Team Grace, guys! This is so
Okay, let's watch.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry.
You guys go that side. Thank you.
This is so precious. I think it's more precious than whatever you were gonna buy.
Aww, but we'll still buy what we needed to buy.
Oh, okay, it's so beautiful.
I did it.
Of course you did.
Her company name is Designer Oasis. I think they're no.
Guys, did you only make two?
No, for Babiki as well.
Yeah, I was gonna say La Sala.
No, we did friend.
Okay.
Friend, we're good friends. We think for everyone, even the photographer. I'm kidding.
Guys, I'll go. Like, I can't listen to her instructions
Go, guys.
anymore.
Yes.
We need to leave, guys.
Go to comments about this ladies are stressing favor.
Exactly. Should we change? Yes, you can change because I want to dress up after immediately.
No, we bumped into your frame.
Look up.
Because the pictures went down.
No, they're
Open
doing
your
down.
eyes. Look up. I should not talk about one hour. Look up.
Excuse me. Friend, it's 57924. 924.
I don't know.
924.
Yeah.
What in Grace? What do we do?
What did you do?
Hey, listen.
It's about her.
Friend,
Yes.
you didn't give me instruction. You just said go check, and I checked and I saw.
And what I said is right.
Yes.
I think
Is that-
I could tell.
Is that our?
I guess so.
Okay.
57924.
57924, yes, it's in, friend.
Because I think
It's a million happy.
Thank
I
you.
have to start again.
I'm right?
Yeah, I'm not talking to you. Just focus on
Is
your
it,
makeup.
is it black?
White. Okay, friend, like stop talking
Sorry,
to me.
okay.
Wait. Face of the sun.
This
one, please,
Great, stop. Friend, focus.
Focus, Grace.
I know.
Guys, tap. I started again.
Friend, I've got 10,000 people watching.
Wow. I hope all
At least 1,000 of you can
voted.
follow and book favor.
Yes.
Yeah, they will. Favor's our new person. Okay, let me.
Nza?
Are you still on live?
Uzange kukhomindla.
Ndlandlala.
Kuna tibanzi.
Wait, I'm so hungry. You see that? What you
By
guys are saying?
the pantry.
Ndlandlala.
Ndlandla.
Do you know Faith?
You can have cheese.
Yeah, I do.
Wow.
Say my boyfriend is Tonga, yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let me change. Is Babiki outside?
Yeah, she should come in right now.
Okay, it's gorgeous. Everything is gorgeous. Let me change.
And at that time when I had the hairstyle on Janjani, he can go teacher what. This hairstyle is perfect, ma'am.
I tried.
And it won't disturb the dress. That's what I like.
Oh,
You're so happy, even though
I am, because look, okay, I'm saying that.
Ooh.
It's cute, right? It's so cute.
You won, girl.
What time is it? I have to tell this guy I'm gonna be late.
The photographer. Guys, please tap on the screen and follow. Please tap on the screen and follow. And sorry for ending the live, eh? But there's 10,000 people watching. Go. Guys, follow me.
Her handle is Favor.
FAVOR_makeup. Full house today.
I know. I love my friends.
Where's the money? It's gonna move.
Okay.
Let me
Hi, friend. I can't move my head.
Hi, mommy.
Aw, friend. Stop.
So cute.
Aw, friend. Aw.
You look so pretty.
Thank you. You make me cry.
This thing is giving this short hair on you. Friend, I'm so stressed. I need to do something quickly.
Wait, friend. I want to take you a video.
Okay.
Come through the door, please.
A piece of furniture is getting delivered, and I
Wow.
sent that extra couch I wanted. What?
Yeah,
Okay, let me
open the
go
door.
down. Can I borrow your iPad, please? I need to
I
use
will,
your.
friend.
I can't multitask. I'm so
I
stressed.
can see.
What should I do?
Just come in.
Oh, is it fine?
3, 2, 1. Yes, we're in.
Should I wave hi?
Yeah.
Hi, Dominique.
Okay.
Okay, is it
Thank
fine?
you, friend. Yeah.
Okay. I need your iPad ASAP.
It's by the TV.
Did I say iPad?
On top of the MacBook.
What do I? Oh my goodness. Oh. I love this setup.
Before I get
Hi, Dominique. Okay, say hi to my vlog. Just wave.
Hi, Luffy.
Her. She's getting ready. I'm literally falling. I forgot your pen. I'll bring it.
Okay.
Guys,
You know what I did? On the form, I added the incorrect date.
Of delivery.
Not my sister calling me, my cousin calling me and telling me, she's calling me on my way here, and she's like, are you on your way? I'm like, on my way. And she's like, on your way to Grace. I'm like, how do you know this?
Mm-hmm.
And she's like, oh no, I'm watching Grace's live. I'm like, oh my goodness.
Really? Oh, that's so cute.
I can't answer calls right now. I can't multitask. I wish I was a multitasker.
I'm running late. Hey, I need to tell him.
Thingy, your friend, friend, you know what happened? can't hear you.
Talk at the airport.
Okay, wait, let me. I'm so deaf. Like, none of my thingies work. I need to change the date. So you know what happened? I literally sent the same form, the form when I first moved in. So it has incorrect dates. Friend, kitty kai kajok.
21.
Your people saying we heard you.
They heard nothing.
They had nothing.
06 2025.
Because Lena getting more strike.
Yeah. Exactly.
Guys, nothing's working. Oh, I don't like being stressed.
Think about this patient.
On your side. Or
Someone said that you're patient.
But she must really pay extra hour.
What time is it? 16 to 17.
And we're almost done.
I don't know. Yeah.
Done. Share. Airdrop. Babiki.
And the screen recording, I'm really busy. Once you say something.
I know someone has recorded me already.
Oh, one out trend.
What's up? Okay, I hope my grandmother's okay. That lady.
Maybe you find the pants. Not the blazer. Yeah. Even the pants, the size was the last size.
Thank you so much. Just need to ask her if they...
That's Bunsen Acha.
Imagine!
I don't have groceries. I don't buy groceries.
Imagine!
Find there should be something like biscuits. Something to Bambisa. It looks so beautiful. Where did you get it?
Zara.
Wow.
I got Zara because I didn't know.
You look beautiful.
I had such a hard time putting an outfit together, but then this works. My hair is, natural hair when you need it to cooperate.
Yeah.
It doesn't. It cooperates when you have nowhere to go. What do I need? I wanted to do something. I should have brought my iPad. I could have edited. The Lucky's could have gotten a vlog today. It's crazy.
It's easy. I hate being the person to say I'll be there.
And then we get there.
1 million likes. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Her handle is Favor Makeup.
Right, let's do the lips first. No, Lena, you're under pressure because we're late.
I swear to God.
Oh, that's what it is. Let me see.
This is the inspo.
Oh, yes.
You guys literally look like this.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, more. Thank you so much, guys. Please follow. Yo, my phone is gonna die. Please, guys, follow me. I'm gonna end this live now because I want to take content. Please follow and book me. If you are based in Durban, we have a masterclass on the 6th of July, guys.
Get them today,
Ne?
Oh, they're coming. What time? She said 4. They're not coming. I think we're meeting somewhere.
Are we putting lashes?
Yeah, after fixing the eyebrows.
That's the thing. Like, I need something small. But like a smoothie. Yeah, like something I can just go.
Do you feel like what time, Jawad?
Good 10. 30.
I think Grace is calling it outside. Grace doesn't cook anymore. Hey, guys. What happened? 5,000 takeaways.
Queen, can I please open the bag?
Which bag?
Hey!
Can I please have the bag? Ah!
They can't even see me.
The bag. Sorry.
Which bag?
The bag from the clutch. Let me see. Wow, she looks gorgeous.
Very.
She looks amazing.
I'm looking for.
Which one do you think works?
I like this one, so I'll always choose this one.
Okay. So in here, can you just put my lip gloss that's in there?
Okay. It really looks so good.
Thank you.
I'm saying Tanza and Babiki, why didn't they tell me the memo was all black? What am I putting in here? The lip
The
gloss.
lip gloss.
And
Maybe like a piece of tissue.
yeah, okay.
Yes. Yes. I finally at 4:30, so I didn't couldn't figure 10 to 5.
Also, you were lying to me.
Friend, I said 4:30.
You said 4 o'clock.
I said 4 we are leaving because we were supposed to be there 4:30.
Oh, okay. I was panicking. Good that you told us 4. Yeah. Because you would have been late. What else do you need in here, my friend?
What else do I need in the clutch bag?
Should I put Kayali?
Okay.
I put tissue, lip gloss, a bubble gum, Kayali.
Friend, don't you know I have 2 phones? Don't forget
Oh,
that.
I need to know the Kayali thing.
Because I'm gonna put everything when I'm here.
Okay.
Okay, I need you to help me put on lotion on my foot.
Did you shave your legs?
I did, but I'm a black woman, so my hair doesn't show.
This makeup. Oh. Sure. This is stunning.
Thank you.
You look amazing.
Look at this.
Where's the lotion, girl?
It's in the bathroom. The Vaseline shiny what?
The new range, Sarah B.
6 p.m. SABC.
Guys, please
3.
follow.
I'm struggling to find it.
By the Nivea things, friend, there. By the mouthwash. My bathroom in the bedroom.
Guys, we have a masterclass in Durban on the 6th of July. Please text me on WhatsApp to book a seat. I only have 2 seats left. My number is on the bio. Take my number on the bio and book.
I'm not done, friend. I need help. Take out my socks.
That dress is
I
gorgeous.
want to put lotion.
All the
And put my shoes on. Get a princess treatment.
yo, this is a face beat.
Oh,
friend.
for the gods.
You are
For the gods.
beaten.
Pa 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 pa. Pa 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 pa. So what must we do?
Please come with my shoes, sister. Wait. I ain't like I'm good.
Okay.
Bring your other leg. My sister.
Do you have a power bank, Grace?
No, I don't. I do, but they are off. I was traveling yesterday and I didn't charge them.
How did you charge your power bank? Had the same issue. No. Guys, I don't have. Everyone must
Are we
charge
leaving
their
with
own
you? We're
phone.
leaving with your car, ne? Okay, Frank, can we
Well, I
take out
can't
the
drive.
thingy? Can we take out the thingy?
Sorry.
Can we take out the?
Okay, charge your phone. Put the
Can we take out the thingy mabobby?
What, friend?
Okay, let's put on the lashes that we
thingy
done.
mabobby. What do you call it?
Focus on the lashes, Gracie.
There's so much going on. I'm overstimulated.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Ceci, can you put this there by the door? The tripod
I'll take it. Wait.
by the door. Or by you there.
Oh. Wait, what side is it? Oh. I don't know if this is.
There we go.
Is this fine?
I don't know, you should try.
Yeah, you're in the frame.
Okay, come. Okay.
Bring your foot frame.
I'm gonna fall if I. Oh my.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, both neck at the same time.
Yeah, this is fine. Oh, this is so shiny.
Wait.
These are so pretty. They go well with your dress.
Thank you. I need to buy a part.
I haven't seen the dress.
You will fall, man.
Does it have shimmers?
Go there on the.
What are shimmers?
Like
In the main bedroom.
Reverse.
Yes.
Where's your charger?
It's by the lamp.
Now my phone is gonna
Yeah,
die. It's
by the
gonna
couch.
shit my face.
Oh yeah.
I just need to generate a code. Friend, is it fine? Is it fine?
No, it's not.
Do I need to make it
Lay
tiny?
loose.
Yeah, it should be make it like on the other side.
Oh.
The last one.
No, like the. I don't even know which one it is.
My phone is gonna die. Guys, before I end this
What else
live,
do you need?
please follow
Is it the last
Please
one?
and book your seat for the
What else do you need?
masterclass.
Oh, I'm again.
Yes, but book it.
Rea, Devin, July, we're going to book it.
I really did it July rule.
When is the November, July? Oh, in
Do
July.
you have
Yeah.
everything?
What do you need?
What is everything?
Okay, I need to put lotion on my top now, but
Oh, you can't do that.
I
for the
don't do
recording.
that, and I'm not wearing anything. You know,
Which bra are you gonna wear? Have you put it out?
I'm not wearing a bra.
The dress pushes you out.
Yeah, takes off my toys.
And then what else? Earrings.
Go here. I'm not wearing a bracelet or anything.
Which ones?
These ones. They're very pretty.
Usasekile. Usasekile ngwana mani.
Yes, whatever you guys said.
I'm also learning.
You don't know what usasekile means? It's just like, it's very basic Tsonga, eh?
I don't know Tsonga at all.
Like nothing, not even one word.
I know Venda, Toga, because my friend is
Guys, please follow me. I'm gonna end this live
She said
now
she's
because my battery is low.
Ooh, those earrings are so cute.
Oh, crazy. Guys, I keep like I'm with a friend. You look stunning.
What do you call these teardrops?
I don't know. I have not.
Remember when teardrops were
Okay,
trending? There was some point when my cousin was going to an MD and everyone was wearing teardrops.
Really?
Those long
Don't
ones.
open, don't open.
Is it recording?
Yes.
But yeah.
I'm using my personal phone and I don't like it.
That's okay.
Sorry, I forgot my
The quality is
friends.
not. I have a fan there by my bag.
Oh, yeah.
Come away with
I think you should leave with your friend.
Thank you. Do I want to hold it?
Yeah, you can hold it.
Yeah, Faith is the one.
Favor.
Favor. Also Favor.
Bye, guys. Don't forget to follow and
Yes.
please book your appointment. If
Please,
you're going
guys.
to Durban July, please book me. And on the 6th of July, we have a masterclass in Durban. So please
from
book your
Durban?
seat for the masterclass.
No, she's gonna do
Bloemfontein,
everything in
27
Let me put the other
July.
earring.
We
Let
are
me put the other earring
done.
down. That's cool. Wow. Let me do this.
You guys, my skin. My gosh.
That's a great.
Okay, guys. Bye. Follow me before I end this live. I'm ending now.
Oh! Lamona!
Bye guys. I need to get dressed up now.
Guys, can I take a video of us first? Just a short video.
Beautiful. Yeah. Oh, these flowers are gorgeous.
I want to make. I feel so
gorgeous.
sick now. And when I do that. I should kiss her again.
And your thing is.
How did you decide on the hair? This is gorgeous.
Can I see how you?
Like everything worked
I
out.
don't
yeah?
like it when it.
Oh, yeah, it's nice when it's at the back.
Same. How that pink?
Yeah, a bobby pin.
I do
Yeah.
have. Can you just switch off this because the kid are born?
No, please. It's so scaring me. I'm afraid of like the gas heater. Oh, guys,
You
I'm so
can bring it
sorry.
here, friend. Thank you. Where is it?
It's here.
Are you a photographer?
No, I'm a vlogger. Dear vlogger.
She sees this big camera. It's like, what's happening
I'm
here?
a vlog, a YouTube vlogger.
Can you not take off my hair?
Oh, sorry. I forgot.
No problem.
Sure.
Please face this side.
How's the bono? No. So mama kena. So mama kena. Oh, Gracie.
And you are with YouTubers today.
Yeah.
We're gonna plug you there.
Do you have a speech?
Are you ready?
Sure, that's beat.
Look at the camera. Smile.
I like it all book a favorite thing.
Please book me.
Sure.
Look down with your eyes. Don't move.
such a cute life.
Sorry. 30 seconds, look down.
Sure. Like everything works together with your outfit. Sure. Should I still close my eyes? Sorry. Take for the rest of it.
Open your eyes.
What am I taking a video?
Smile.
Look the side quickly.
I'm just a baby.
Can you please, I'm also like vlogging. Can you please take us a video?
Okay. Okay.
Is the camera?
Which way? This way?
Oh yeah, no.
This
It's
way.
like this. Can I please pretend as if I'm taking a video with your phone? Yeah, you can stay in me.
This way.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get out. Sorry, guys. Oops. Okay. We're done, y'all.
Not like this side.
I need to go now because I don't want you to see my dress yet. I'm going to see a professional photographer and videographer right now. You're going to see the pictures when I post like later on. But the live needs to end here because you cannot see my dress
Yes,
yet.
guys. And please follow me, favor_makeup.
Favor is not having it. Favor is just like... Yo, shut the hell up. Favor is like, I want my clients.
Excuse me, guys. Please follow me. Now you can see.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. It's
Thank
Favor
you so
makeup.
much, Favor. I appreciate it. Bye, guys. I love you. Please watch on SABC 3 at 6 p.m. SABC 3 at 6 p.m. Okay? I think so. Someone
This
said
is so
that.
serious. You gotta be on TV.
Someone said that it's that time. So I'm also thinking, okay, guys, I have to. Love you. SABC 3, right? Am I right? Yeah, SABC 3, not 1. SABC 3 at 6 p.m.
I'm gonna leave this for your lashes.
Oh, thank you
Just
so
put
much.
them back.
SABC 3 at 6. Is it there, guys, on DSTV? Can you guys see that it's there? I don't know.
Oh, we use DSTV. Oh, Busy. Let's talk to Busy. Should I join?
Hi, Lucy.
How cute.
Thank you.
What are you eating?
Thank you. Bye. Love you.
She's gonna go get dressed, cause
Hey, that look is bad. Okay, bye, guys. Love
you
you.
wanna see? Oh, look at the roses.
It says Red Bull, so it's not playing.
Roses I got.
No, it's not Red Bull, guys. I don't know then. I'm sorry. I don't know. But as soon as I know, I'll let you know, okay? Okay. Bye. Love you. And I hope we win. I know you voted. I hope we win. Wish me all the best of luck. I don't have a speech yet. I'll prepare a speech in the car. But for now, I'm just... I spend so much money on these awards, like preparing for everything. So I just hope everything really comes to life properly, nicely. And is it SABC 1 or SABC 3? I'm not sure.
You're going to win, guys.
Thank you, sis. Okay, guys, I love you, okay? Bye. But I want to clarify the time thing before everyone... Ish. Okay, I need to go now. Love you. See you when we have another award.